Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my June 2022 BOXYCHARM Premium Box unboxing. I'm so glad this finally got here. I feel like I've been waiting so long since I got my BOXYCHARM Luxe box for the month, which that video unboxing is up here on my channel, and I've already reviewed all the makeup products from that box, so I have just been anxiously waiting to get more of my beauty subscriptions in the mail, and I still have not received either of my Ipsy glam bags, but as soon as I get those, I'll be doing those unboxings here on YouTube as well. So if you like beauty subscription unboxings, makeup reviews, then you are in the right place, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. But let's go ahead and get into the June 2022 Premium Box. We've got product information, so I can add up my total retail value at the end, because with BOXYCHARM you get all full-size products, which I think is great. And so first up, we've got Shadow Moon Reusable Shadow Shield. What is this? For fast and flawless eye makeup application. Oh wow, mine is actually open. That's very concerning. Like, the sticker is open. Kind of freaking me out. I mean, it looks fine. It's not like, this is so weird. But I guess maybe you go like this. Wow. I don't like that I obviously received an opened product. And will I use this? Interesting concept. I suppose I can try. Yeah, shield from fallout. Get the perfect shape. You can cool it in the fridge or freezer to depuff and soothe your under eye area. All right. So this Shadow Moon Reusable Shadow Shield retails for $15. I don't know why I find that so funny. All right, next up, from Ofra, highlighter Rodeo Drive, liquid to bake highlighter with intense shine. Interesting. I like trying out Ofra products. Ofra is probably one of the brands that I see most often in my beauty subscriptions, but I'm very excited about this. Ooh, so pretty. And this is some heavy, substantial packaging, but I feel like this is a classic highlighter from Ofra. Ofra makes incredible highlighters, so I'm very excited to try this out. And so the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter retails for $35. That is a pricey highlighter, but they really do make incredible highlighter formulas. All right, next up, a palette from Lorac, Pro Palette Artist Edition. I think it says Meraki all over it. I love to get eyeshadow palettes. I love trying out eyeshadow palettes, playing around, creating eyeshadow looks. So I'm so excited to see this. I really prefer to get makeup in my beauty subscriptions, and so far I'm seeing some good makeup products, so I am really happy with this. Oh my gosh, this is such a heavy palette. Oh my gosh. There are so many shades in here. 25 eyeshadows. Oh my goodness. Lots of neutral browns and then some greens, which I really like green. I have green eyes, so I feel like green eyeshadow can be enhancing. Wow, mattes, shimmers. This looks beautiful. I'm so excited to try this. So this Lorac Pro Palette Artist Edition Meraki retails for $45. Next up, from Persona, Brow Gel in the shade Warm Brown. I love trying out brow products, and I use a brow gel every day. I haven't tried out too much from the brand Persona, but I've gotten a few other products in probably both Ipsy and BOXYCHARM. I mean, looks like a classic brow gel. So I'm not trying any of these out, clearly, because I'm saving them for part of my trying a new makeup product every day series. So all of these products I'll be doing full dedicated review videos on, but if there's any that you're extra interested in me trying out first, just let me know in the comments down below so I can prioritize the order. But this looks promising. I like that wand. And the Persona Cosmetics Swipe Up Brow Gel retails for $19. Next, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about all the makeup products I'm getting. Ooh, Patrick Ta, which I just find such an exciting brand to be getting in BOXYCHARM. And this is, ooh, Major Volume Mascara in black. I love trying out mascaras. I'm so picky about my mascaras, and this beautiful packaging. Should we get a peek at the wand on this one? Ooh, nice. A nice big wand, kind of like a classic looking wand upon first impression. Oh boy, I am so excited to try this one out too. I love that I'm getting like a full face pretty much of products, like all such different types of makeup products. And so this Patrick Ta Beauty Major Volume Mascara retails for $29. Very pricey to me. Let's see what else we've got. One more product. No. Ooh. So this is skincare, but this sounds awesome. This sounds like exactly what I need. I think it's from the brand Santorini Grape. No, Chorus is the brand. Poreless Skin Cream with salicylic acid to smooth and balance. Pores is one of my main skin concerns, especially on my cheeks, my nose. Oh my gosh. A lightweight cream that clears the way for poreless skin with antioxidant-rich Santorini grape for balanced all-day hydration. Wow. Made in Greece. Cool. Usually I'm not too excited to get skincare or moisturizers because I just have so many, but I have not tried out a poreless skin cream. This has me so intrigued. Let's see the retail value. That's not too crazy. Chorus Santorini Grape Poreless Skin Cream retails for $36. That is way less than I was expecting. Let's get a peek at it. But $36, I would pay that for a good skin cream that helps my skin look poreless. I'm so excited to try this out. Wow, this is beautiful packaging. It's glass. Oh my gosh, and like a really like cool like rubber lid. I'm surprised this is not much more expensive. Yay! Wow, I really like this month's premium box. Some of the premium boxes that I had received recently, I wasn't too happy with. I felt like they were not well curated to me, but this one is actually really awesome. The only product that I feel a little iffy about is this Shadow Moon Reusable Shadow Shield because it arrived open to me. I don't know if I should contact BOXYCHARM about that, because it seems like the product is still fine and intact and it doesn't look dirty, but that is definitely creeping me out. So I'll do a quick recap and then let you know the total retail value. So I've got the Chorus Santorini Grape Poreless Skin Cream, the Shadow Moon Shadow Shield, the Ofra Highlighter in Rodeo Drive, the Persona Brow Gel, the Patrick Ta Mascara, and the Lorac Pro Palette Meraki Eyeshadow Palette. And that brings me to a total retail value of $179, which is actually more on the lower end of retail value, probably for boxes that I've gotten from BOXYCHARM, but that is fine by me because I'm really happy with the products that I got. And by the way, if you have tried any of these products, definitely let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on them. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.